Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make hot cross buns. So let's get started. To make the dough, I'm choosing to use a food processor because it's really quick and easy. So add in the flour, sugar, instant dry yeast, and cold cubed butter. And just process the ingredients briefly until it's combined and the butter is cut into the flour. Then add in the eggs, make sure they're at room temperature, warm milk, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice. And mix the ingredients until it comes together into a dough. Once it forms a dough, keep it running for another 30 to 60 seconds to start kneading the dough. Then turn it out onto a lightly floured work surface. Add in the dried cranberries or currants, golden raisins, and candied orange peel that's been diced. You can use store-bought or make your own, and I have a video showing how to do that. Or you can even leave them out. And knead the ingredients into the dough until they're evenly distributed. Then place the dough into a large bowl that's been lightly greased. Turn it over a few times to coat the dough in the oil. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap. And let it rise in a warm place for about an hour until it doubles in size. Once it has risen, turn it out onto a lightly floured work surface. Punch it down to get rid of the air. And cut the dough into 15 pieces. I'm using a scale to make sure they're all even. Then take each portion and pull and tuck the edges underneath to get a smooth top. And pinch the bottom so it's tightly sealed. Roll it between your hands. Then do that for the rest of them. Place the dough balls into a greased 9x13" baking pan. Wrap it in plastic wrap. And let them rise in a warm place for about 30 to 45 minutes until they're puffed up. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And to make the cross paste, in a small bowl, add in the flour, sugar, and water. And mix them together until they're combined. Add the cross paste into a plastic bag or piping bag. And set it aside for now. Once the buns have proofed, uncover them. Cut a small hole in the corner of the bag that has the cross paste in it. And pipe it on top of the buns, going all the way down and all the way across. Then bake them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes until they're nicely browned on top. To make the glaze, in a small bowl, add in the powdered sugar and water and mix them until they're combined. When the buns are done baking, remove them from the oven. Immediately brush the glaze all over the top of them. Let them cool slightly, and serve them while they're still hot. And that's how to make hot cross buns. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.